Hello, good morning again. Today is July 3rd. This is where my friend live in her farm. See that one? Ate Nena. Ate Nena's house. This is her farm. All the plants. It's langka. Ayan. She had a lot of mango too. Coconut. There you go. This is where we start. I walk from my place for 15 minutes from my place to here, and then we're going to walk again to the shore, and we make an exercise, walking exercise for all the senior. Right, this is her place. So that's a fireball flower. That's it. Look at the Bermuda grass, so vast. Ang ganda. They live here since 1970s, so it's more than 50 years now. This grass is almost 30 years. That's why it all scattered around. This is a 1-hectare property. She had a rice field. And this one, she had this nice kubo, bahay kubo. She's also a widow for 7 years, older than mine. Mine is 6 years. Me is 6 years. August. That's it. And you know what? That is copra. The coconut. She's the one who opened it. Opened this coconut. She opened the coconut and then make it dry. You see? A 77-year-old woman. And I'm going to take this husk after she finishes. That's it. This is her place.